Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to write a program to find the sky value of a character given by the user. So let's start. First, I will declare a variable character C. Then I will take input from the user in the character. Input from okay. So now I am taking input from the user. Enter the value. Enter the in character C. Then I will write scanf, then modulus D, modulus C for character, sorry. Then I will write address C. As I'm storing the value in C, so now the value stored in character C. Now I will print the statement, print the sky value of character modulus C is this. So finally I'm writing C comma C. So first it will print the sky value of character, like I am writing A, so A is, then it will print a sky value because of the modulus D X, it will print its modulus value. So I forgot to enter the semicolon. Yes, the code is working. I will enter some other variable, like I am entering B, it is showing 66. Now I am entering H, small h, 104. Yes, code is working. Thank you.